BlackRock Advisor Center Tools at Pricing Explained what you get for your money. BlackRock Advisor Center is a suite of tools designed for financial advisors to manage portfolios, research investments, and provide client reporting. Many assume such platforms are expensive or inaccessible, but BlackRock offers a transparent model based on firm size and usage. The app itself is free to download, but access to portfolio analytics, model portfolios, and research tools depends on advisor agreements. Fees vary depending on assets under management and the level of integration with BlackRock products. For individual advisors, basic access is typically included at no additional cost, while advanced analytics and reporting are tiered. Most people get this wrong by assuming these tools are only for institutional investors. Advisors of all sizes can leverage model portfolios, market insights, and client reporting to improve efficiency. For example, a small advisory firm can provide clients with detailed, customized reports without investing in separate software. The surprising truth is that BlackRock Advisor Center integrates portfolio management, client communication, and research in a single platform, reducing administrative burden while enhancing service quality. In conclusion, BlackRock Advisor Center Tools pricing is scalable and value-driven. By understanding the tier access model and feature sets, advisors can choose the tools that fit their practice size while delivering professional portfolio management and insights to clients.